Are you tired of answering the same customer questions over and over again? What if I told you there is a way to automate these responses, saving your time and energy to focus on growing your e-commerce business? Today we are diving into the world of chatbots, and I'll show you how to build your very first one using ManyChat. Hey there, e-commerce entrepreneurs. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Serge, and today we are talking chatbots, a game-changing tool for your online store. Specifically, we create an e-commerce chatbot using ManyChat, a powerful and user-friendly platform. Why should you care about chatbots? Well, they are like having a 24/7 customer service rep who never gets tired, never takes a day off, and can handle multiple inquiries simultaneously. By the end of this video, you'll have your very own chatbots up and running, ready to handle common customer questions, provide a warm welcome to your store, and even integrate with Facebook Messenger. Let's get started. Let's start from the setting up your ManyChat account and creating your first bot. First things first, let's set up your ManyChat account. Head over to ManyChat.com and click on the Get Started for Free button. You can sign starting from the Facebook Messenger, and I recommend to continue with Facebook as a signing tool. Once you are in, click the bot name, and you can change it to for example, the e-commerce store. Now let's create our first automated response. You're going to the automation and press new automation and start from the scratch. So you have the first message. You can type, for example, welcome to e-com store. How can I assist you today? So it will be the first message that will be sent to anybody who will be opting to your chatbots through your Facebook page. Remember, your welcome message is the first interaction customers will have with your bot. So make it warm and inviting. You can even add some personality to reflect your brand voice. And of course, you can add personal addressing. That's like first name. In this case, whatever first name it is placed on the Facebook account of the person, that will be addressing here. It can be make it more like this. Next, we can create the automated responses for common inquiries. For example, if we can add one more message here, we can give them the possibility to answer the common questions. What like quick responses about some common messages. What can I help you today with? And just add, for example, order status, or return policy, or product information. And then it's when the person clicking this button, we address them to any other message or to a new flow. For example, if we click the order status, we can ask them the following. To check your order status, please provide your order number, and I will look what's that's your right away. So in order to do this, we're adding the data collection, and actually we need text and for example this one, and we can copy this here. This one we don't need. So as soon as a person will type the order number here, he'll be safe and will receive this information. For return policy, we can send them to, for example, please click below. Please click the button below to see the return policy on our website. So, and we can policy and open the website. So just like com store com policy, for example. So, and as soon as person is clicking this button, they will be forwarded to the website. And product information we can add, for example, the start automation, and we can select any automation where it will be help them with a product select. Now the pro tip: keep your responses concise and clear. If the information is too complex, consider providing a link to a relevant page on your website. So now we have your. This has to be set to leave. Yeah, of course, it's necessary to connect to any automation before this. But as soon as it's connected, we can set it to leave, and then we can this already integrated to use your Facebook Messenger and your Facebook page. For testing, we can do it like a preview. And we can see it here in ManyChat or in the Facebook Messenger. So if we are saying it here, so we can see, and we can click on the button and we'll see the answer. So we should provide it the information as requested. And there you have it. You've just built your first e-commerce chatbot with ManyChat. Pretty cool, right? This is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to what chatbots can do for your business. Now I want to hear from you. What aspects of customer service do you find more time consuming? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let's brainstorm how we can automate this task in future videos. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more e-commerce automation tips. And hey, if you are struggling with any part of setup process, leave a comment and I will do my best to help out. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. We'll dive deeper in the e-commerce automation. Until that, happy botting.